What's going on, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys something really cool. So you guys are always wondering how to boost your YouTube career, how to get more views, get more subscribers, more fans, everything like that. So I worked with this company in the past and everybody that tried this out had some great results. So I thought, let's just do this again, because if you don't do this, you're going to miss out on a lot. So this company is called Promolta. And what they have is they have a huge following on social media, on websites, on games, on apps, everywhere where you can show your videos on a targeted audience. So how this works is you go to the link in the description and just create an account. Real simple. So if you guys are excited for this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button down below, subscribe if you're new, and I would say let's get started, obviously right after the intro. Right, so now that we are on the login page of Promolta.com, what we're going to do is log in real simple, and before I was actually making a video, I'm going to run a campaign of $25. I threw in 25 bucks to see what it actually did. So what I did is I just got a video of mine, a pretty recent one, the You and I video, where I created this effect where I would walk into ourselves, and what I did is I just entered the link, I created the campaign and started it with $25 like I've mentioned. What we did, it is very simple. Okay, so when I published my video and I just created the campaign with Promolta, my video had 4,496 views. I threw in $25, and as you can see right now, it got seen by 1,500 people. Now, the people that have seen this, 1,500 people, if they thought it was a great video, I would say, let's say 80% has subscribed because of that video, because I, promoted it. I would gain almost, I don't know, maybe like 1,000 to 1,200 subscribers because of that. So I also got some nice amount of views, as you can see. But other campaigns I did in the past, I put in a video that started at 491,000 views. I threw in $25 and it got me to over 500,000 views. So I gained almost 11,500 views with only $25. And this is not buying views. You're not sending your video to bots, because they have over 70,000 followers on Twitter. They have a lot of games, apps where they would distribute your video to. So you're not buying things. This is not against the rules. This is just organically getting your video seen by a lot of people, depending on your budget. So how this essentially works is you just sign up for an account, and you can also promote your channel or promote a video. So we're gonna hit this one, and right now you just want to insert the link of your video. So now you want to go ahead and paste in the link of your video. I'm gonna get that one real quick. Right, so this is it. Hit the loop icon, so it's gonna search, and right now we're gonna pick the top one. I'm gonna hit select, and right now you can choose your target audience. So let's say besides views, you also want to have likes or comments, subscribes, or app installs. Let's say that you're promoting an app, you want to have people to download your app. You can also choose that. The gender, you can say I only want female or male to see this, and all the age between 13 and 24, 25 to 34, but I just choose all, and the location is global. So let's say that you have an Indian video and that's Indian spoken, you can only choose, for example, Indian, or you can just choose Russian. Any country that you're in or that you want to have your video seen by people, you can just target it real simple. So besides this, I also want subscribers, because that's obvious. And right here at the bottom, this is what the ad will look like. It says click to subscribe. If you hit app installs, it says click to install, and then a download button, real cool. And also you have like and comment, for example, like and comment on YouTube. So I'm just gonna hit subscribers, then we're gonna hit next, and right here you want to choose what kind of budget you have. So let's say that you want to have your video seen by 10,000 people. That's gonna cost you roughly $200. But I want to mention that you will always get more views for your money, because the video I made in 2017 with this campaign got me over 5,000 views for $25, which another video has gotten me, I don't know, a little less, or just a couple thousand. So it doesn't really mean that if you put in $200 you will get 10,000 views, exactly, but it even can be, I don't know, 15,000 or 13,000, just a little bit more than you would actually want. So that's a really good thing. So let's say that we're gonna just start off real simple, nothing too crazy. We're gonna throw in $30. You can also choose the duration, for example, 7 days, 14 days, or 30 days, an entire month. But what I can do is I'm just gonna put in 7 days. Right here, it will get me 1,500 views roughly, but I would say $30 is gonna get you a couple thousand views, depending on your video, what kind of video it is, how you target it, how many people will click on it, etc, etc. You cannot you don't have control over what people, you know, are gonna click on it or not. So then we're gonna hit start campaign, and then it is just a matter of just filling in your card info. And if you don't have a credit card, you can just always ask your parents, for example, to say like, Dad, can you just, you know, borrow me 30 bucks, or in exchange of those $30 I would just do something around the house, anything like that if you're underage. But if you do have a credit card, fill it in. Your credit card info is safe. You don't have to, you know, be afraid of anything. And once your campaign is launched, you just want to wait for the likes to come in, or the comments, or the subscribers, or anything like that, or the app installs. And right here, if you click on my account, you can just click on campaigns, and right here it says exactly how many views you gained, how long it's going to, you know, when it's ending, when it's starting. You can always restart for the same amount or more, anything like that. You can also promote your channel if you want to, your budget. So if you say, okay, I'm gonna spend $100 a month on it, that's gonna show 10,000 people will actually see your channel. It is really a really cool service, and there's nothing to be afraid of. If you have any questions about this, make sure to drop them in the comments down below. And guys, I can also show you guys the actual page on YouTube. As you can see right now, this is the You and I edit page on YouTube itself, and right here it says the views is 8,255. So I actually doubled it for just a real small amount of money. I can just actually boost it to a lot of people, and it would be really cool maybe in the future if you could see how many subscribers you have gained because of your campaign or app installs, anything. That would be really amazing. So guys, that's it for this video. This is how to boost your YouTube channel with Promolta. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys Promolta also for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Find the link in the description to the website, and I will see you guys obviously in my next video.